I'm so excited because it is tomato season, and tomato season is probably one of my favorite seasons because I love tomatoes and I love using it for all kinds of salads, all kinds of pastas, sauces, and any kind of food that goes with tomatoes. But today I'll be showing you guys how to make tomato pepper. In Hmong we call this jilusho do hatza or jilusho hatza, which just translates to as tomato pepper. So I'll be showing you guys how to make two kinds today, one cooked and one fresh. So you guys can choose your preference. These pepper are great with grilled meats, fried chicken. It's great with fish. So before we start cooking, I'm gonna show you guys our garden because a lot of you guys requested me to show you guys our garden in the backyard. So let's go take a tour of my mom's garden before we start cooking so you guys can see what we have. But yeah, let's go and I'll show you guys what my mom has been planting this summer. So these are our tomato plants right here. It's so pretty. It's kind of big. My grandpa actually felt like a little wooden vine supporter here. Just because my parents plant these tomato plants in between two persimmon trees. So this isn't really having support, so they built this, and the tomatoes are loving it. They're growing at beautiful vines like these. You can see beautiful, all these growing here and on top here. It's amazing. So pretty. So these are not completely red, but they are still super sweet, and we're gonna pick these to make the peppers. Yeah. Look at our tomatoes, so beautiful. Wow. So this is our persimmon tree that my dad has been planting for about 3 years, and it finally bloomed this year. So much of them. And then our tomato plants here in between another persimmon plant over here. Oh, wow. And then down below some pumpkins. What? So my grandparents planted this beautiful banana tree here in our garden, and we use it to make kasi a lot, and also dol, which is sticky rice wrapped in banana leaves, which is amazing. I'll show you guys a video on how to make that if you guys are interested. But yeah, it's beautiful here. You guys can see. These are green onions. We also have some mint here as well. And then here we have some fresh Thai basil and some lemon basil here as well. We use it for soups and stir fries. And then my mom over here is also planting some pumpkins, which look, it's growing beautifully. Oh my gosh. And right here is our kaffir lime leaves. It's so pretty. I love it. And then over here we have some beans that we've been growing as well. Some green beans. And then here my mom is also planting some beautiful eggplants. You guys can see. Wow. Look at that. Whoa. And then these also, we have the rounded eggplant, the Italian eggplants here as well. Lots of eggplants. And then right here is, these are bok choy. These are the white bok choy. And then my mom also replanted some more cilantro, and this is how much we have for now. A couple of months ago we had it all over here, but we used it all. And then I have some sesame leaves here, or also known as perilla leaves. Cook a lot of Korean food, so we like using these to eat with Korean barbecue or just do like a side dish with it. And look at all these peppers. My mom probably has about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, probably 10 pepper plants here. Every single year they have to plant tons of pepper. So she has a variety of like white pepper here, and then she also has some purple pepper over here. You can see that. And then some of these have turned red already, but it's more far back over there. And then she has some more pumpkin plants. These are all medicine for chicken herbs or medicine. And then my mom is also planting tang. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little tour of our garden. It's not much, but super convenient for us. Just planting things that we enjoy using and things that my parents love cooking. Well, I love eating seasonal products and seeing our plants grow every single day. It's amazing and it's beautiful. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little tour. And let's start cooking. It's time to cook our tomato pepper. Okay, so the first one we're gonna make is the roasted tomato pepper. So in here I have a little small baking sheet with foil lined in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and place your rinsed and washed tomatoes here. Scoot this aside. And then I'm going to place this separately, the shallots, the garlic, and the pepper here, because we're going to roast them separately. Yeah, we'll just roast it until it's nicely roasted and we can go ahead and pound it up. So let's stick this in the oven under broil 500, or you guys can do this over a grill, whatever works for you guys. Oven is under 500 broiled. I'm going to go ahead and stick this in there. Here I have a mortar and pestle. So these are the roasted tomatoes and the roasted shallots and garlic and pepper that we did earlier. We're going to go ahead and dump those in there. Okay, so I'm going to dump in the garlic, pepper, and the shallots. And into this, I'm going to add in some salt. Go ahead and pound it. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the tomatoes in, all the juice and everything. Go ahead and pound this up. Oops. This pepper here is really good with fish. You guys want to eat it with fish. It's also good with steak. Also great with sticky rice. Just eat it with sticky rice. Okay, now I'm going to add in some green onions and cilantro. Like always, you can add as much as you want. And then I'm going to add in some fish sauce as well. Go ahead and mix these in. But yeah, this is pretty much it. You guys can taste it and adjust to your seasonings and serve it over your protein or just rice. Yum! Okay. So here we are going to make the fresh tomato pepper. Super easy, super simple. You guys can add more stuff to this if you guys want after you try out the recipe. But here I have already washed the tomatoes and already cut these in half. To this, I'm just going to go ahead and add in peppers. You guys can add as much as you guys want. This is just slightly minced up. These are freshly grown in our garden. I use about 2, but it's totally up to you. Go ahead and add some pepper in there. And then here I have some fresh cilantro and green onion. Again, you guys can add as much as you guys like. And then I'm gonna add in some fish sauce here, about a tablespoon. And just a pinch of salt. And that's about it. Go ahead and just mix that up. This is super simple because it's pretty much all about the tomatoes. So if you guys have really nice sweet tomatoes, a little bit of seasoning goes a long way. It's super delicious, just like this. This one goes great with like chicken, fried chicken. It goes great with barbecue pork, anything really. But this is about it. Super easy.